Things you should never do in Geometry Dash. Level creating like crap. Oh yeah, I finished my first level. Now it's just added. Oh yeah, that's even more better. Hell yeah! Never play anything and then dislike it for no reason. This name looks stupid. Name looks stupid, honestly. Name looks stupid. Name looks stupid. Take that. Ha! Never have a bad icon, color, and mixture with it. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, that's the good stuff. Golden. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's even better. This is better. Oh yeah, I'm a human now. Oh yeah, I love this. Oh yeah. This is the best day ever, though, if I even suck at this. Never say anything is easy. This is easy. This is easy. This is easy. Never create like total crap. Think you're the world's best pro when you're actually not. It's actually quite common for this. I'm gonna play Bloodbath. If I could get 1%, I'm still a very, very big pro. Oh. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Oh yeah, I love that. Oh, I love this part. Oh, I love one. Oh, I'm the best player. I'm getting 200%, baby. Disliking demons and okay, I did not mean to do it. Sorry, Riot, but I'm doing actually a skit. Sorry. Raging at level gauntlets. Why are there levels in Geometry Dash? I thought you could just do it. It's only for demons. Raging because you're not getting daily. What? Will I get that? Oh wait, I am daily now. Yay. Raging because you can't tap anybody in the main lobby. I can't. Why can't I get him? Why can't I? Yeah. Why can't I get him? No! Oh my god! No! Raging because you're not getting weekly demons. Raging from challenge. When will I get a key? Oh my gosh, my throat's dry. Just playing with the Vault Keepers or any other ones. Raging at everything you get from a chest. Oh, what am I gonna get? Please say a key. No! Raging that because your icon isn't in the store. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you guys enjoyed that skit. I'm putting a behind the scenes in this. I think it's gonna be quite obvious that it's gonna be my Lucky for News channel or Red Drop. Yeah, it's gonna be in Red Drop. So basically, what I was trying to do is what noobs do in Geometry Dash. There was only a lot of raging, but there's still a lot more left. Friending somebody over and over. I mean messaging. Answer me! Friending somebody when they don't want to friend you. Yeah! Call Viprin a noob. Viprin sucks like crap. Say Michigan is good. Michigan is the best! Oh wait, Miguel is. Try to go at the end of every map pack thinking that there's a secret level. No. No! You know what? That was a clickbait video! Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you guys for watching. Ow, my ear's honestly hurting. And also my throat's very dry. And I also got one more thing. Copyrights. Here we go. Here's the copyrights. Have fun with the copyrights. These dumb, crappy people are getting shouted out by me from copying. So, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget, bye-bye.